Hi, it's Naomi with the Naomi Butler Show, and today I'm going to show you something that is kind of like a cracker or crust of a pizza, and it is definitely low carb, tiny little bit of fat because of the cheese, but I'm going to show you real quick how it goes. All right, it says 6 ounces of shredded cheese, and I just pack it in because I think it needs a lot of cheese. I could probably even put 8 ounces of cheese, 2 eggs that are mixed together a little bit, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and the only oregano I can find is oregano leaves. So I'm going to mix this up real good and real quick. It's got lots of spices in it. Real simple recipe. Jack, my sweetheart, had triple bypass surgery, so we're looking for low carb recipes that he can eat, and this is even maybe something instead of bread or a cracker that he can eat. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I have a pizza pan with parchment paper, and I'm gonna dump this mixture out on it. Get every little bit of it that I can. All right, now we're gonna take freezer paper, gloss side down, and we're going to spread it out with our hand. This recipe I found was a keto either low carb or no carb pizza recipe, but I thought this could make maybe something like a cracker with a salad or something along that line. I'm just kind of mashing out, and you may have to move it over because this one has a little bit more room. And then when you peel this off, it may not be exact. That's okay. I'm going to peel the freezer paper off. And I tend to get all of the stuff off the freezer paper, but that's okay. My hands are clean. So I'm going to, and if you want to use a spoon, that way you don't see me use my hand, you can kind of move it in like this so you don't have any gaps. I've got the oven set on 350. So again, this could be where you use it for pizza. If you use it for pizza, you don't cook it as long, and you take it out, put your toppings on them, put it back in the oven, and I'll do that on another video. But right now I'm just showing you how I made something kind of like a cracker. All right, I have it like this. It's going to go in the oven. If you can see it, it's just a mixture of cheese, eggs, and those spices, okay? And I have one that I already cooked. Don't you love that? And it is ready to go. Instead of cooking it 10-15 minutes and then putting the toppings and then putting it back in, I cooked it for probably 20 minutes and maybe a little bit more, but just watch it and check it. Now, I'm peeling it off. Once it kind of really cools, because this is still a little warm, I'm going to kind of slice it or take a pie cutter and cut it into pie shapes, whatever. But it could also make a yummy snack, a yummy cracker type or bread instead of using bread. So I just wanted to show that to you and let you try it and see what you think. But then if you do want it for pizza, like I say, you only cook it 10-15 minutes, put your toppings on, and then put it back in the oven for about 10 more minutes. And I'll show that another day. Thank you so much.